Hi guys, Palm at Car Audio, and welcome back to the channel. This week we're bagging something a little bit different. Why is it different? For two reasons. Because I don't think many people have bagged these, and number two, I don't think you're normally going to wake up on a Monday morning and think, you know what, I'm going to bag my Maserati GranTurismo this week. But that's exactly what we've got in. Now, admittedly, I don't actually know much about these vehicles. I haven't seen many that have been bagged, but this one is actually quite nice, and I'm quite excited to see how it's going to turn out. But you know what I say, everything looks better lower, and I'm sure it will look much better when it's sitting on the floor. Now, the current owner on this one, I don't know if he's actually added these carbon bits, so it's got a few carbon goodies on it, front splitter, boot lid as well. Like I said, I don't know actually if they're standard or if they're aftermarket parts. They do look aftermarket, and if they are, they actually look really cool. It's a lovely, like a dark metallic grey colour, lovely contrasting interior as well. Look at that. Wow, that is cool. Check that out. Sam's already started stripping it out. I think he's doing the wiring for all the management. Now, there aren't many reputable companies that make struts for this car. So we managed to source Prazis air struts. They're out the box, they look very impressive, and obviously it's going to go on airlift 3H management as well. Let's take a walk over there and take a look at the struts. The car is going to be going on airlift 3H. As always, there's your airlift manifold. That's like known as the control box, or the heart of the system, if you like. 3P controller or 3H controller, whichever one you're using. Don't forget, Airlift 3P/3H also has an app that you can download onto your smartphone, so you can control your air from your phone as well. And here are your height sensors. So this car is going to have the best of both worlds. Not only is it going to be a pressure-based system, it's also going to have the electronic height sensors as well for maximum accuracy. There aren't many reputable companies that make struts for this particular vehicle, but we have sourced a set of Prazis air struts and double bellow bags all round, fixed top mounts on this vehicle, and you've got eyelets on the bottom, which seems like it's going to be an easy swap, to be honest with you. So yeah, and don't forget, you get rebound adjustment on all Prazis air struts as well, so that's quite handy. Well, who would have thought it, eh? Maserati GranTurismo. If you hang about, we'll show you some of the install process and what's involved on getting this car bagged, and I'll see you in a little while. Let's see how Sam's got on, and let's check out the components all installed. So on the front here we have, well, front and rear is Prazis air struts, and this is coupled up with Airlift 3H management, and so all the height sensors have now been installed. I think Sam's just finishing off one of the rear ones, and then the wheels should be going on, and all being well, customer can pick it up this afternoon. So yeah, the air lines are all run to the back now. They're all tucked up alongside the brake lines. Probably the safest place to do it, because the manufacturer wouldn't put the brake lines there if they're going to foul with anything. So literally run the air line along those. Boot build on this car, the customer wanted to retain maximum boot space, so it's going to be a totally hidden hardware install. I think the tank's going to be kind of mounted at the top of the shelf, so that's kind of out the way as well. Other than that, I'm hoping this afternoon the car's going to be on the floor and aired out. So yeah, keep watching and we'll show you the finished result soon. Hey, what's up guys? We're a few days on and I can happily say that the Maserati is now fully bagged. Let me just show you what we've done in the boot. Now, as mentioned a few seconds ago, the customer did want to retain full maximum boot space, so we've mounted all the components under the floor. Customer's gone for a twin compressor setup, so it just basically regenerates the air in the tank a lot faster. Manifold safely mounted in the bottom. You've got your auto drain water trap here, so the customer doesn't need to drain it himself. It's an auto drain. And also the tank's gone up on the rear shelf here. Right, let's air it out, shall we? As if by magic. There we have it. Do you know what? That looks pretty incredible. I'm pretty sure the customer's already got some wheels on order as well, and no doubt we'll be mounting those up for him when he finally gets them. But for now, yeah, I'm happy with that. It looks absolutely brilliant. The only thing I haven't done yet is gone on a road test, which I'll do with the customer when he finally gets here. We have the 3P3H controller. The customer wanted to be hidden away, so all we've literally done is route it into the center armrest here. And when he's not in the car, he could just hide it away and no one's going to see it. Do you know what? This is a wicked car, man. Never really sat in one of these. This is really cool. I bet it's fast. Fairly straightforward to fit. There was no major issues. And yeah, there we go. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. And please remember to like, share and subscribe so that you can keep watching some more banging content.